What y'all doing, HVACers? So, I wanted to do a video on getting your input and your opinion on the channel, okay? I want to hear from you guys on what content would you like to see? Is there a better way that I could be doing things for the channel that would help you better? Do I need to be more detailed, less detailed? You know, I know I can ramble like crazy, so I really try to take a lot of that out in the editing. You know, I'm about to get started now as we speak. Anyway, I want to get your guys' feedback. You know, what can I do to make this channel do better for you? You know, I do this channel in the first place for you out there. I want to help make your lives better. I want to improve your situation. I don't do this for me. You know, I really don't actually make any money off of this thing. You know, sure, one day that might be a thing for me, but at this time, I make nothing off of this. This is something that I'm doing for you. You got to understand that. So if I'm not doing what helps you, what benefits you, what provides you what you're looking for, then I'm just wasting my time. So anyway, I'll keep it at that. I don't want to drone on. Just tell me what it is you're looking for. What do you want to see? How can I do this better to better fit you? If you don't want to talk through the comments, you're more than welcome to reach out to my email I've got set up now. Several of you already know about it. Y'all use it. For those who don't, it's in the description. It is HVACTIMETX@gmail.com. So anyway, I'll sign out with that. Just let me know what y'all want, guys. And I can't achieve everything, but there is a lot of things that I can do. And I do have some ideas and some things that I'm going to be coming out with, some little projects I'll be working on. So yeah, let's do it.